we're going to be making a very good dessert that's a variation of buried treasure. So how we'll start is just take a pretty sugary cereal like this sprinkled donut crunch and crush it up into powder like this. And then we'll put all the ingredients on and see how it looks. Now that you have it all crushed up, go ahead and pour it into both pans. Looks like some of them still need crushed up, but they'll work still. Now the next step is to put yogurt or pudding onto it. So we have these yogurt cups. Now you can add the strawberries and the blueberries. Of course, they're better fresh, but when we're making this, they normally aren't in season quite yet. So, put that out. Oops. Oh. And put them in, and try not to drop them. It's hard when you have scissors in your hand. There we go. Now you can go ahead and add the blueberries, but make sure to crack them up like this before you add them in because you don't want clumps of them. Works a lot better whenever you crack up the strawberries. Now rake this with a spoon because you want it nice and even and as flat as possible so it'll stay hidden. Now go ahead and spoon in the Cool Whip. I'm going to put a whole container on this one.